The second trap is that please combine only when necessary. Let me teach this through an example. This is the question, and these are the two statements. Please pause the video, solve it yourself. The answer is not C. The answer is B. Why? The question is asking whether x is a multiple of 12. Now, statement 1 says that two of the factors of x are 5 and 7. There may be other factors also. 12 may also be a factor. So statement 1 is leading to a maybe scenario, and therefore statement 1 is not sufficient. Statement 2 alone says that x is a product of odd integers, and therefore x has to be an odd integer. If x is odd, x cannot be a multiple of 12, and therefore statement 2 is leading to an answer no. Remember, no can very well be an answer, and therefore statement 2 is sufficient. Therefore, we did not have to combine. Statement 2 alone was sufficient. B is the right answer. A mistake that many students would commit is that they would read statement 1, they would think that 5 and 7 are there may be something else. A mistake that students very often commit is that when coming to statement 2, they do not forget statement 1, and therefore, on looking at statement 2, one may deduce that x equals 35, and therefore no is the answer. See, 35 was reached on combining the two statements. So many students will say that C is the right answer choice here, which is not the case. If the question were, what is the value of x, then we would need both the statements. In the current question, we don't have to get to the value of x. We simply have to tell that whether x is a multiple of 12, and to answer a no, statement 2 alone is sufficient. Therefore, we do not have to combine. B is the correct answer choice. The learning from this example is that please do not combine unless you have two cross marks. Give statement 1 a fair chance, then forget statement 1 and look at statement 2 alone. Try getting an answer through statement 2 alone as well, and only when you have two cross marks should you think of combining the two statements. This was the concept, friends. GMAT shots are deliberately kept brief. For an elaborate explanation, please watch the Stage 1 conceptual videos in our program. Thanks for watching.